Today, we're going to be looking at a tool that is seriously shaking things up in the world of digital creation. It's called Vheer, and, well, it's an absolute powerhouse for generating AI images, and get this, it's completely free. All right, let's just dive right in.
Okay, just think about this for a second. You need a killer image for a presentation, or maybe a quick video for your social media feed, or even a new profile pic. Usually, that means wrestling with expensive software, sinking hours into a steep learning curve, or, just hiring a pro. But what if you could just skip all of that hassle and get exactly what you need for free in just a matter of seconds?
Well, that's exactly the problem Vheer is here to solve. And we're not just talking about a single one-trick pony kind of tool. Nope, this is an entire AI toolbox, and it's designed to put creativity in everyone's hands.
Yeah, Vheer isn't just one thing, it's a bunch of different AI tools all bundled together into one super smooth experience. It's really a whole creative suite for artists, for marketers, for students, heck, for pretty much anyone with an idea.
And here is the first massive barrier it just completely tears down: the price. Its main features are 100% free. And unlike so many other platforms out there are no annoying limits on how many images you can create.
The easy access doesn't stop there either. There's literally zero friction to get going. No creating accounts, no signups, no giving away your email. You just go to the website and you can start creating right away.
And finally, the thing that seals the deal. Everything you make is actually yours to use. Vheer doesn't slap any watermarks on your work. That means your images are ready to go for commercial projects, for social media, for whatever you can dream up. It's the whole package, free, unlimited, and totally unrestricted. So, how does it all work? Well, let's start with its bread and butter, its most powerful feature, turning simple text prompts into incredible images. This is where your imagination can really run wild.
You can get super specific and stylistic with it. So for example, a prompt like "a car in a cyberpunk atmosphere" isn't just going to spit out a picture of a car. It creates a whole mood, a whole vibe, complete with glowing neon lights and a gritty, futuristic feel.
Or, hey, maybe you're going for a totally different feel. With a prompt like this, Vheer can actually replicate that charming, polished, and really beloved look of a top-tier animation studio. It gets stylistic instructions incredibly well.
And this one just shows you the incredible range we're talking about. From gritty cyberpunk to playful Pixar to the very distinct look of Japanese anime, this tool can adapt to a huge variety of genres. That makes it so versatile for any kind of creator. But Vheer goes even deeper than just general text prompts. It also has all these specialized generators. Need a really professional-looking headshot for your LinkedIn profile? There's a tool specifically for that. Want to visualize a new tattoo idea or create some cool assets for a game you're building? It has dedicated tools for those too. And each one is fine-tuned for that specific purpose. Okay, but creating a static image is really just the beginning. Vheer takes it to the next level by letting you animate those images, turning a still picture into a short, dynamic little video clip. It's pretty magical. And the process honestly could not be simpler. You just upload the image you made, or really any image you have, then you just describe the kind of motion you want to see. Maybe you want something like a smooth, cinematic circular camera movement, or maybe just falling snow. You pick your format and boom, Vheer generates a video for you up to 10 seconds long.
So yeah, Vheer is a seriously powerful image and video creator, but it's also jam-packed with a bunch of handy utility tools that solve all those common, everyday creative headaches, making it a true all-in-one platform.
And this stuff is just so useful. The background remover, it's perfect for anyone doing e-commerce. The context editor lets you just magically erase unwanted objects from a photo. It even has file compressors for documents and videos. And oh, the image to prompt tool. This one is genius. If you see a picture with a style you absolutely love, it'll generate the text prompt you need to create something just like it.
So what does this all really mean? I mean, when you put all these features together, free, unlimited, no sign-up, no watermarks, what you're looking at is a fundamental shift in who gets to be a creator. This right here really shows you that massive shift we're talking about. The old walls, expensive software and ridiculously steep learning curves, they're just being torn down. Vheer represents a whole new way of doing things. A simple, fast, browser-based tool that's completely open for everyone to use, even for commercial stuff. I mean, that is a true game changer. And that brings us to the final and most important question. Because this isn't just about some cool new technology. It's about empowerment.
When the kinds of tools that were once only for professionals are suddenly put into the hands of everyone, for free, the possibilities just become endless. So the real question is, what will you create?